2024 Teachers of the Year. Hamilton Southeastern Schools is fortunate to have dynamic teachers who engage and encourage our students. The following individuals were recognized by their peers in schools as being exceptionally outstanding educators. Please join us in saluting. From Brooks School Elementary, Melody Smith. From Cumberland Road Elementary, Donald Cowers. From Deer Creek Elementary, Melanie Henn. From Fall Creek Elementary, Amanda Karshner. From Fishers Elementary, Allison Shore. From Geist Elementary, Charlene Friedel. From Harrison Parkway Elementary, Nikki Kremer. From Hoosier Road Elementary, Shannon Edwards. From Lantern Road Elementary, Sarah Cherry. From New Britain Elementary, Judy Street. From Sand Creek Elementary, Clarice Nolan. From Southeastern Elementary, Dana Jones. From Fort Creek Elementary, Carissa Buck. From Fall Creek Intermediate, Alyssa Carrazzo. From Fishers Junior High, Britta Smith. From HIJH, Sarah Sweeney. From HIJH, Eric Brown. From Riverside Intermediate, Christine McLaren. From Riverside Junior High, Alana Myers. From Sand Creek Intermediate, Anne-Marie Bigno. From Fishers High School, Lance Kuhn. From Fishers High School, Scott Fisher. From Hamilton Southeastern High School, Marshall Lee. From Hamilton Southeastern High School, Sarah Chatton. From preschool, Sammy Kindler. From Focus, Andrea Marine. From HSE Fishers Academy, Rosemary Noel. HSE Administrator of the Year from Sand Creek Intermediate, Michelle Bunnell. And finally, from Fall Creek Junior High, Amy Baston. Amy is also our HSE School Teacher of the Year. On behalf of the Hamilton Southeastern Education Foundation, Brayton Business Systems, and all of the Royals and Tigers fans here, thank you to our Teachers of the Year for your incredible commitment to inspiring learning.